You could come up to a seated position. I'm going to read to you while you're here from The Secret Power of Yoga. Experiencing your true nature as love. Take a few life-affirming breaths in through your nose and then let them out easily. Another one or two really life-affirming breaths. Deep inhale. Easily let the breath out. Gently bring the awareness to your heart center, the seat of your consciousness. Observe as the consciousness is drawn away from the heart. It's attracted to any discomfort in the body. It could be your leg or arm or a cramp in your back or neck. And gently gather the consciousness and draw it back to the heart. You can repeat silently in your head or out loud. Yoga is the uniting of consciousness in the heart. I abide in my own true nature, joy. Again, observe as consciousness is drawn from the heart, attracted this time by the mind and its myriad thoughts. Gently gather the consciousness and lovingly return it to the heart. Repeat silently or aloud. Yoga is the uniting consciousness in the heart. I abide in my own true nature, joy. Observe the movement of consciousness from the heart towards the emotions and feelings. Gently gather the consciousness and lovingly return it to your heart. Repeat silently or aloud. Yoga is the uniting of consciousness in the heart. I abide in my own true nature, joy. Say it a few more times. Yoga is the uniting of consciousness in the heart. I abide in my own true nature, joy. Yoga is the uniting of consciousness in the heart. I abide in my own true nature, joy. One more time. Yoga is the uniting of consciousness in the heart. I abide in my own true nature, joy. You're invited to repeat this sutra anytime you notice consciousness moving away from the heart. It will aid you in bringing it back to your heart. Slowly take in a few breaths. Notice if there's a sense of joy living in the heart. Make your way up to a seated position if you want to take a few moments to lay on your side otherwise. And then up and bring your palms to touch the center of your chest. If it would feel nice, you can rest one hand on top of the other over your heart space. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.